Very excited to have all of you here. This is a big celebration for us, so this has been a long time coming.
Welcome to our new 4T Academy and CNC Precision Machining facility, where students are unlocking future possibilities today. This isn't just any program. What we have here at PCHS is unique, not only in Southern Indiana, but across the entire state. Our approach is so forward-thinking that other schools are beginning to follow our lead. We are proud to be at the forefront of this movement, providing students with the tools they need to explore exciting career paths, earn college credits, and launch their futures, all before graduation.
Being a part of the Precision Machining program has been an incredible experience. I'm gaining valuable hands-on experience in advanced manufacturing right here in this classroom. This program goes beyond theoretical learning. I'm developing practical skills that will give me a competitive edge in the industry, with over 60,000 advanced manufacturing jobs projected to open in the next decade. I feel confident that exciting opportunities await me. I would also like to acknowledge the dedication of our wonderful instructor, whose guidance has been instrumental in our success. It's inspiring to know that our school is setting the standard for other institutions across Indiana in advanced manufacturing education.
We're seeing a shift around the state to increase employer engagement in high school career and technical education programs. Programs such as the Precision Machining and 4T Academy are prime examples of how industry partners and schools can create opportunities for students to have on-the-job training. Programs like these give people technical foundations they need to thrive in advanced manufacturing. It's not just about jobs. It's about careers with competitive wages and growth potential. Princeton Community High School is leading the way with a model that's being recognized across the state, and we're excited to help build that future through hands-on partnerships. We're excited about engagement we've had with local partners like Toyota Indiana, RPM Tool, and Highway Machine. Their involvement is showcasing the value and success of these collaborations.
Here at the 4T Academy, we are preparing students for the real world. This is more than just a class. It is a unique program that is gaining attention not only across the state of Indiana, but the entire country. With our dual credit opportunities through Ivy Tech, our students are ahead of the curve. They are saving time, saving money, and gaining experience to get a high-paying, in-demand job right here in their community. It's just another reason to choose to be a Tiger.